In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail address. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a new email address but didn't want to abandon your current account, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you have everything you need to make this change smoothly and efficiently. First, we're going to start by accessing your Google account settings. This is your central hub for managing all things Google, and it's where you'll make any necessary changes to your Gmail address. To get there, open your favorite web browser and type Google My Account in the search bar, then hit Enter. You should see a link for Google Account Management at the top of the search results. Go ahead and click on that link. Once you're on the Google account page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here, you'll have access to a variety of settings related to your Google services. Look for the Personal Info tab in the navigation menu on the left side of the page. Click on it. This section is crucial because it contains all your personal details, including your contact information. Now, you'll be able to see your current email address listed under the Contact Info section. Here's a tip. Make sure you have an alternative email address ready before proceeding. Gmail doesn't let you change your primary email address, but having a secondary one will be beneficial. Now click on your email address. What we need to do next is add an email that you can use as an alternate. In doing so, you'll still receive emails to your original address, but you'll be able to use the new email for communications too. After entering and saving your new address, go ahead and check that secondary email inbox for a verification email from Google. This is a crucial step as you'll need to confirm your new email belongs to you before it can be officially linked to your account. In the email you receive, there will be a link or button to finish this verification. Click it to finalize the process. Once verified, head back to your Google account page and refresh to see the changes take effect. At this point, your new email should appear in your list of contact emails. Remember, while this process allows you to add alternate emails for logging in or recovery purposes, your primary Gmail address remains your main contact address within Google. There you have it, changing your Gmail address made simple. With this guide, you'll be able to efficiently manage your email settings and keep your digital life in order. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.